All right, guys, it is diff install day. I'm under the car, obviously. Here's the OEM ZHP differential. We're going to be swapping this out with a 364 limited slip with M factory. Basically what I'm going to be doing is, first I'm going to remove the sway bar. So we're going to remove links here, connection here, get this out of the way because it needs to be out of the way to swing the diff towards the back of the car. I confirmed that the manual transmission has a 6 bolt output flange for the axles, and then also 6 bolts. This is the input flange from the drive shaft, and basically this input flange on the diff needs to be swapped. So I'm going to take it from the OEM diff and put it onto my 364 with the limited slip. That's because the 364 came in a automatic. Automatic had 4 bolts on the input flange. Manual transmission has 6. So we'll get into that more later. But I think the first thing I'm going to do is remove sway bar. Then I'm going to remove the camber arms. Got a bolt here, bolt there. Camber arm will come out. That'll give me a little more access to the sway bar. Because I'm replacing the camber arms with some adjustable ones. Then we'll go ahead and disconnect the output flanges for the axles, separate that with a pry bar, and do the same thing on the right side. And then I think after that, we'll disconnect the drive shaft to the input flange and remove the 3 bolts for the diff. It'll be this one, and there are 2 here. And we're going to be replacing these bushings as well, which is going to be a bit of a pain because I am not removing the rear subframe, but we'll get a puller, basically a tool from AutoZone probably, and see if we can push those out, put in new polyurethane ones. So yeah, should be a fun process, but yeah, we'll get into it soon.